They call she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with the size. Come in around to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Wine pan your good makes sweat a drip off.
Here's what true excavator climbing slope skill looks like. A 45,000-pound beast scaling a 65-foot incline in the pouring rain. The terrain is slick, unstable, every move must be deliberate. The operator keeps the boom low to balance the weight, inching upward with perfect traction. It's more than power, it's experience under pressure.
You tell me, man. I could go without. I've got another creek crossing down. I just kind of get a feel for it and feel it all comes out. Sounds good.
This is excavator stuck in mud, but watch closely, no rescue crew needed. Using just the boom and bucket, the operator lifts and slides out like a pro. This kind of mud recovery takes years of practice and full machine control. It's not panic, it's calculated escape.
One machine, safe and sound.
Why is it on this side of the line? Out of my bucket. It's welding it. Dude, I gotta
In
get
this
the bucket
excavator
off.
precision digging challenge, the operator works inside a 10-foot wide trench, surrounded by utility lines. One slip could cause thousands in damage, but he navigates it flawlessly, swinging the arm within inches of metal, roots, and concrete.
Why isn't that
That's
blowing?
precision engineering in motion.
That's the problem.
This is operator view excavator, the cockpit of a 20-ton machine. Every movement is calculated in real time. You'll see foot pedals dancing, hydraulic gauges ticking, and a steady hand controlling chaos. This is where muscle memory meets raw intuition.
Gizmo, where today we'll be covering what is arguably the most excavator to boost their annual production. which was already extracting 8.5 million tons and extract various types of material. It measures 24 meters high and weighs 6. It features a 28-meter long hydraulic arm that rock mass through rail transportation. It is 48 and features a 6.5, while its maximum dig Bison Group, a German alternative for the massive mining operations. Next, we have the FAM, extracting tons of. This giant has a.
Next up, raw power meets precision. This is the BAVCB 12 hydraulic concrete crusher mounted on a 20-ton excavator. Built to pulverize reinforced concrete, it applies over 150 tons of crushing force at the jaws. Just watch as it slices through 8-inch rebar like it's spaghetti. Operators love it for demolition zones where speed and control are everything. Now for something fun and a little crazy, a customized Jeep Wrangler goes head-to-head in a tug-of-war with a bulldozer. Spoiler, it's not even close. But it shows you the insane torque these heavy equipment machines produce. The dozer barely revs as the Jeep struggles for traction. Its brute strength versus street toughness and physics always wins. Whether it's the sheer scale of the Bagger 293, the crushing jaws of the hydraulic concrete breaker, or the unstoppable torque of a bulldozer, one thing's clear. These machines are built different. Each one is a testament to human engineering where size, strength, and precision come together in the most extreme environments.
Man, this is like something out of
if you love giant machines, epic power moves, and wild comparisons like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Forestry Tech. Next episode, we're heading back into the forest with high-speed timber harvesters and cable yarders in action.
This
Stay tuned.
design not only ensures site stability, but also keeping the blade low and letting it drop if it starts sliding down could offer better control.